Hi! Today's style is a cute 3-leaf clover. It's perfect for St. Patrick's Day and it's so easy to do, so let's get started. To start, you're going to do a part on the left side of the head, and then from the back of that part, make a part to the ear. Have her hold that section out of the way, and then comb the rest of the hair into a side ponytail. And this style is so much easier to do on wet hair because it makes it look so much more sleek. Now in between that other section of hair, you're going to cut it in half. So then take that front section and you're going to add an elastic to it. Now with that back section, you're going to cut it in half again. And with that top section, comb it out and add an elastic. And then do the same thing with the bottom section. So you're going to have 4 ponytails, the big ponytail in the back and these 3 ponytails. Now you're going to use a Topsy Tail. And you're going to go to the first ponytail in front, go underneath the elastic, put the hair through and pull it upwards towards her face. Now we're going to go to the back one and do the same thing. So we are flipping all of these ponytails to the outside. So now we're going to make the 3-leaf clover. So with that top ponytail, split it in half so you have 2 sections, and you're going to twist them outwards. So the right strand you're twisting to the right, and the left strand you're twisting to the left. Now I usually pull these down towards me because they're easier to twist when they're straight and there's more tension on them. So once you keep twisting it, you're going to fold it up and it will create a heart eventually. And you're going to hold, if you see where I'm holding it, that's where I'm going to want this heart to be. And so I'm going to add an elastic right there. And that is going to be where I connect all 3 hearts. So we are going to take this elastic out at the end, but for right now we're just putting a clear elastic in just to hold it in place. So we have that first heart. So now we're going to do the same thing with the other 2 ponytails. So just split it in half and twist it until you get that heart shape. And then add an elastic where it meets that other heart. And then we're going to do this one more time with this last heart. So split it in half, twist them outward. Just remember to twist them outward, because if you twist them inward, it won't create that heart. So now we're going to create that last heart, add the elastic, and now we're going to grab all 3 hearts, just put them together where those elastics are and hold it in place, and then grab an elastic and you're going to just connect them all together. Now you can see those clear elastics right there, so I just grabbed one of my seam rippers and I just cut those elastics out. So now they're just being held together by that one green elastic. So now you can just comb that out. I added a little bit of spray gel. And then you're just going to do a 3-strand braid. You can just leave it, or you could do a twist if you wanted to. I just preferred to do a braid because it just holds it a little bit better. So you're going to braid it until it meets that bottom left ponytail. And if you can notice, you need to make sure the braid doesn't pull on the clover, because otherwise it will make the shape go out. So you can see here I'm just making sure the shape is good. And then just connect that braid to that side ponytail with another elastic, and you can just add a bow or whatever you would like to that to dress it up. And this is the finished style. This style is so cute for St. Patrick's Day. I hope that you guys enjoy recreating it on your own. Thank you so much for watching. We would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe so that you can be notified of all of our upcoming tutorials, and please check out all of our tutorials on our page. We have so many to choose from. We'll see you on our next video. Bye!